What's up? I'm in Bologna town. Our journey starts from Marseille airport. We are waiting for our flight. The ticket cost per person is €10, approx 800 rupees. The journey is about 1 hour to Italy. Who doesn't like the window seat? One can enjoy the view from takeoff to landing. The landing view is always stunning and thrilling.
Grazie mille, sir.
Wait.
The Bologna airport is called as Macaroni Airport. As soon as we get down, we took a monorail train to Bologna Central, which cost us €8 per person. Bologna is a beautiful town in the north of Italy, not far from Florence. At the end of August, it's very quiet. Most of the inhabitants are out of town and many tourists come to Bologna. Hi guys, so we reach. Hi guys, hope you're alright. So we came to Bologna city, and we are here at the city center, and I'll show you around. Bologna is a historic city of Italy, and in this video I will cover 3 main tourist spots of Bologna: the Two Towers, Piazza Maggiore and Basilica di San Petronio. We are here at the Twin Towers of Bologna. Oh my god, as you can see, it's one of the enchanted tower in the whole world. It's about 4-degree inclined, I guess. So I'll take you nearby. Let's go. The two towers, Le Torri, both of them are leaning, are the symbol of Bologna, Italy, and the most prominent of towers of Bologna. They are located in the heart of city at point where the ancient Via Emilia entered the city. The taller one is called as Asinelli, while the smaller one is more leaning tower is called as Garisenda. These names derive from the families was between 1109 and 1119. They were built during the Middle Ages and had a military function, as well as representing with their grandeur the social prestige of the family that had them built. The bigger tower is about 97 meters high and the smaller one is about 47 meters high. It is known for its steep overhang due to substance of land and foundation. और ये साला इतना बड़ा है कि घूमते घूमते आदमी परेशान हो जाएगा। और मॉन्यूमेंट्स इतने ज़बरदस्त हैं, इतने बारीकी से इन्होंने बनाया है रोमन लोगों ने, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त, मज़ा आ गया देख के। And now we are going to a church called San Petronio. As you can see in front of me, there's a big church. Wow, What a historic church. On the side there's a building, I don't know what it's called as, but this is a marvelous place. The place is called Piazza Maggiore. The basilica is dedicated to patron saint of city, Saint Petronius, who was the bishop of Bologna in the 15th century. Construction began in 1390 and was finally opened in 1954. Saint Petronio is one of the world's largest churches, sixth largest in Europe. It's 132 meters long, 60 meters wide, and 45 meters high. The church from inside looks fabulously attractive. A contrast is created between brick red and a white marble. The Basilica of San Petronio is open every day from 7:45 to 2 p.m. and from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Entrance is free, but there is a fee of €2 for taking photographs. Piazza Maggiore is a central square. One side there is church and on the other side is a Piazza del Nettuno. As you can see, this is an city center of Bologna. I think this is a theater inside. Dubious Protinus protector, I think. I don't know, theater or something, church. Front there is a fountain, Neptune fountain. The Fountain of Neptune, Fountain di Nettuno, in Bologna, dated back in 1565 and was created by Jean Bologna, also known as Gambologna. It was controversial artwork when it was created and still raises eyebrows today. The entire sculpture was created in bronze and stone. It has been center of some controversy from very beginning because of the nude Neptune and the nude lactating mermaids expressing milk from their breast. और यहाँ इन्होंने फाउंटेन बनाया है, बहुत ही ख़तरनाक फाउंटेन है। ये देखिए आप पूरे नज़दीक से, ज़बरदस्त फाउंटेन, एकदम ज़बरदस्त फाउंटेन है। मछली के ऊपर एक लेडी को बैठाया है और वहाँ से फाउंटेन निकल रहा है, बेहतरीन। और ये पूरा एक सेंटर है, ज़बरदस्त। The living history of Bologna is layered in every block and street corner you cross, and every building intersection that forms a part of historical maze showcases the city's medieval origin and the Renaissance retouches. Old and beautiful, gritty and vibrant, in equal parts, Bologna sightseeing make it curious. Via Indipendenza, which was completed at the end of 19th century, is the main street of Bologna that starts from Piazza Maggiore and to arrive the central station. Nowadays, Via Indipendenza is the shopping area of Bologna with many clothes stores and more. It also hosts important places of culture. The cultural history, wide grade of elegant architect and gritty side streets, food markets and coffee shops, crumbling historical houses and defining tower makes Bologna perfect place to visit. Hope you like this video. If you do so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel ऐसे ही वीडियो देखने के लिए, and thanks for watching. Till then, take care and goodbye. Seriously.